Trump's hush money trial in Lower Manhattan today started off rocky. Two already seated jurors were suddenly dismissed, but by the end of the day, 12 jurors were picked and are ready to decide the former president's fate. Eyewitness News reporter CeFaan Kim with the details on what is next in the case.
As former President Donald Trump left the courtroom today, he stayed on brand and had a lot to say.
All of these are stories from legal experts saying how this is not a case. The whole world is watching this hoax.
And had a lot of complaints.
I'm sitting here for days now, from morning till night, in that freezing room, freezing. Everybody was freezing in there.
But he left the courthouse today knowing the men and women who will determine his legal fate. 7 men and 5 women. Among the 12 jurors selected, a software engineer, a teacher, a physical therapist, an attorney, an investment banker, and a retired wealth manager. This as dozens of potential jurors were dismissed, one for lying on a questionnaire about his arrest record, another after she demanded to be excused, claiming aspects of my identity have already been out there. I had friends, colleagues, and family questioning my identity as a juror.
It would have been totally incorrect for me to participate.
Mark DeMuro was another who asked to be excused, a cartoonist who satirized political figures from both parties, including Trump.
Do I think I could be impartial? Yes. Do I think there was a snowball's chance in hell that the defense team would allow me to be part of the jury, considering the artworks that I have made? No.
Arthur Aidala is a criminal defense attorney not connected to the case.
All they have to say is, Judge, I no longer can be fair and impartial, and the judge has to let them go. He has no choice. He has no discretion. If they say, I cannot be fair and impartial, he has to release them from the jury.
The case centers on a $130,000 payment made to Stormy Daniels to buy her silence over her alleged affair with Trump in 2006. Trump is accused of covering up the payment so it would not damage his 2016 campaign. Meanwhile, prosecutors demanded the judge hold Trump in contempt, saying he violated his gag order 7 times just since Monday. The former president is under a limited gag order, but appears to be getting around it by reposting inflammatory content from conservative commentators. The judge did not follow up on that. Instead, his focus was on seating a jury. 5 alternates, though, are still needed. He's hopeful that can be done by tomorrow, with opening statements maybe starting on Monday.